Hello everyone, welcome to the Current Affairs at the YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do important current affairs MCQs from 7th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. Please watch till the end. So coming to today's MCQs, the first question is, who released 55 literary works in classical Indian languages on 6th January 2026? Option B, Dharmendra Pradhan. Which institute developed 41 books under Centers of Excellence for Classical Languages? Option B, that is Central Institute of Indian Languages. Tirukkural Sign Language series was brought up by which institute? Option A, that is Central Institute of Indian Languages. National Education Policy promoting education in Indian languages was introduced in which year? Option C, 2020. Niti Aayog released which edition of Trade Watch Quarterly in January 2026? Option C, 5th. The thematic focus of Trade Watch Quarterly Q1 financial year 2026 is on which sector? Option D, automotive exports. India Energy Week 2026 will be held in which city? Option A, New Delhi. India Energy Week 2026 will be held from which dates? Option C, that is 27 to 30th January. India Energy Week 2026 is organized under the patronage of which ministry? Option D, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. India's ethanol blending program saved how much forex since 2014? Option B, 1.59 lakh crores. Which hydrogen fuel cell vehicle was showcased by Prahlad Joshi and Nitin Gadkari? Option B, Toyota Mirai. The public-private partnership project pipeline announced covers how many projects? Option A, 620. Total cost of public-private partnership pipeline project is approximately? Option C, 17 lakh crores. Online Archaeological Survey of India monument ticketing is now live on which platform? Option D, that is Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC. How many Archaeological Survey of India monuments and museums are covered under ONDC? Option A, 170 plus. Model Women Friendly Gram Panchayat National Workshop will be held at which institute? Option B, that is Yashwantrao Chavan Academy of Development Administration. Model Women Friendly Gram Panchayat initiative was launched on which date? Option B, 5th of March 2025. Bureau of Indian Standards celebrated which Foundation Day in 2026? Option C, 79th Foundation Day. Silver Hallmark Unique Identification hallmarking became mandatory from which date? That is 1st September 2025. BIS Saksham stands for? Option B, that is Scheme for Acknowledging Knowledge, Skills and High Impact Merit. Indian Railways has electrified approximately what percentage of its network? Option C, 99.2%. India's first electric train ran in which year? Option D, 1915. Indian Railways solar capacity as of November 2025 is? Option C, 898 megawatts. Delhi government signed MOU with Reserve Bank of India for which purpose? Option A, for banking and debt management. AI skilling program aims to train how many youth in a year? Option B, 8 lakh youth in a year. Mpemba effect refers to which phenomenon? Option B, that is hot freezes faster phenomenon. Which institute developed the Mpemba effect simulation? Option C, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, signed MOU with which organization for Ekalavya Model Residential Schools? Option B, that is National Scheduled Tribes Finance and Development Corporation. Total functional Ekalavya Model Residential Schools in India are? Option A, 499. Khutbat-e-Modi book is a compilation of speeches from which years? Option D, 2014 to 2025. Khutbat-e-Modi was published by which organization? Option C, that is National Council for Promotion of Urdu Language. Pragati, that is Proactive Governance and Timely Implementation, was launched in which year? Option C, 2015. The 50th meeting of Pragati helped commissioning of which project? Option B, that is Bogeybill Rail-cum Road Bridge. Bogeybill Rail-cum Road Bridge is located in which state? So it is located in Assam. Which company is partnering with Indian chip design startups and universities as stated by Ashwini Vaishnav? Option D, Marvell Technology. Marvell Technology is designing chips of which size in India? Option C, 2 nanometer. Central Institute of Indian Languages published the 55 literary works. So the Central Institute of Indian Languages is located at Option C, it is located at Mysore. Which are the 5 classical languages represented in the released literary works? Option B, that is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada and Odia. Indian squash player Anahat Singh entered her maiden final in which tournament? Option A, British Junior Open. PV Sindhu will return to competitive badminton at which BWF tournament? Option D, that is Malaysia Open 2026. So thank you so much everyone. Wish you all the best and check out our other playlist and see you in the next video.